Hi, let me show you how you can get custom alarm sound on iPhone. And for that, firstly you need to make sure that you already downloaded any sound on this device. And then you can find it in your Files app. In my case, it is in this folder Downloads, and here it is. If you don't know where you can install sounds, then you can open this website because I downloaded my sounds from here. So just pick any song, click to download. Now go ahead and open App Store because here we need to find app GarageBand. Usually it is installed on iPhones by default, but if not, now you know where to install it. So at this point, we need to immediately open it, and you should see this display. Just scroll through this list to find audio recorder and select by tapping. Now, watch carefully, because firstly, we are gonna disable metronome here by clicking it. Then, I want you to click on this icon on top to switch to different style. And now click on this plus in the upper right corner like that to change bars. So by default you would see here 8 bars, but we need to increase this level to 27 or 30, something like that. Now the next thing is you need to click on this loop icon. Then from Apple Loop switch to Files and go in Browse Items, and of course, find sound you installed here. By tapping it, it will appear in this list, and I want you to press and hold it like that and drag onto this part. Now you can crop it like that, adjust its length, and if you want to listen it, then just click this middle button. Great. I'm fine with this length, so we are gonna save it. For that, we need to click on this arrow, then choose My Sounds, and you should see that it is imported here. So press and hold it, choose to share, and finally, we need to pick ringtone in this list. Here, just click Continue and rename it as you want to. For example, alarm, and let's add an emoji. Now I'm gonna click on Export. And here, don't click on Use Sound As because we wanna set it as alarm sound but not ringtone. So just click OK. Now, we need to open Clock app. Here, select an alarm and go in its sound. And after that, you should see name of your ringtone right here appears on top. And to set it as your current one, you need to just click it. And of course, don't forget to save changes by clicking Save button. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.